Alright class, for video purposes, I would normally do this in a sink. It's a more sanitary way of doing it. Not that any debris is going to get in the bucket or anything like that, but when you're straining a stock, you want to do it in the sink, but I don't have anybody to hold my cell phone, so we're going to do it like this. So here, I have my strainer. We got our bucket. I'm going to put it in 4-inch pans to let it cool down, to go from 40 or from 135, from above 135 to 41 within 4 hours. So I'm going to put my strainer in the bucket. And then, whoopsie, almost dropped my phone. See all that strained there? I have to do a little mopping. Grab a big pot. Same deal. So roasting those bones, having that fresh cut mirepoix. Makes a beautiful chicken stock. Tomorrow, well, when you're watching this video, we're gonna take this chicken stock, let it refrigerate, skim the fat off the top, and then we're going to make a pasta fagioli and a butternut squash bisque. We got the butternut over here. So yeah, there you go. I'm going to get these in containers so it cools down to the proper temperature and the proper time. As you all know, the danger zone. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. There's all the bones in the roasted mirepoix. Alright, see you guys in class. Well, actually, I'm right in front of you, so here you go. Look at me and say hi. I'm the best. Chef Dave's the best.